Welcome, my friends, to a brand new video. Today, we're going to explain exactly how to print your very own business cards using Canva. It's easier than you might think, so let's dive right in. First things first, head over to the Canva website. Once you're there, you have a couple of options. You can either search for a ready-made business card template that you can modify, or you can design your business card completely from scratch. For this tutorial, I'm going to search for one of those ready-made designs so we can quickly apply our printing method. Okay, who's this design here? As you can see, you have the freedom to modify all the text and elements within this business card to perfectly suit your needs. Take your time and get it looking just the way you want it. Once you're happy with the front and back designs of your business card, the next step is to download them. Make sure you download both the front and back as an image files. This will ensure good image quality for printing. Alright, now that we have our front and back designs downloaded, now we need to extract the zip file. Let's go back to the Canva homepage. We're now going to create a new design with a custom size. This size will depend on the paper you'll be using for printing your business cards. If you're unsure about paper measurements, a quick Google search for paper sizes will give you all the information you need. For this example, I'll be using a standard US letter size, which is 11 by 8.5 inches. So, we'll enter 11 for the width and 8.5 for the height, making sure the units are set to inches. Now, click Create New Design. The next step is to upload the image files of both the front and back of your business card. You can do this by clicking the Uploads button on the left-hand side and then Upload Media. Select the end files you just downloaded. Now, we need to know the standard size of a business card, which is typically 3.5 inches by 2 inches. Again, if you're ever unsure, a quick Google search for standard business card size will give you that information. Okay, now we'll add one of the card images to our page. You'll see a rectangular cursor appear when you select the image. Use the corner handles to resize the image, making sure it's approximately 3.5 inches wide and 2 inches tall. Once you have the correct size, right-click on the image with your mouse and choose Duplicate. We're going to repeat this process of duplicating and positioning the image multiple times until we fill an entire row on the page, like this. Now, to make things quicker, select an entire row of your business card images by clicking and dragging your mouse over them. Once they're all selected, right-click and choose Duplicate again. You can repeat this to fill the rest of the page with as many business cards as will fit. Next, select all the pictures on the page and then use Canva's alignment tools usually found under Position to make sure they are centered both horizontally and vertically on the page. This will make cutting them out later much easier. Now, if you have a back design for your business card, the next step is to add a new page to your Canva document. Then, simply repeat the same process we just went through with the front design. Upload the back image, resize it to 3.5 by 2 inches, and then duplicate and arrange it to fill the new page, making sure everything is centered. Alright, once you have both the front and back designs laid out on separate pages, and you're happy with their arrangement, the final step is to get ready to print. Click on the Share button located at the top right of your screen and then press the Download button. For printing, you'll want to select PDF Print as your file format. This is the best option for high-quality printing. As you can see, there are a few options here. It's generally a good idea to select Crop Marks and Bleed if your printer allows for it, as this will help with accurate cutting. Then, simply click the Download button. And there you have it. The file has now been downloaded successfully and is ready to be printed. You can now send this PDF file to your home printer or your preferred professional printing service. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you found it useful, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful design tips and tutorials.